Alright guys, so we are at the Grand Hyatt Hotel here at BGC, Bonifacio Global City, for the launch of the all-new Toyota Avanza. The Toyota Avanza has been the brand's best-selling compact MPV for a couple of years now, and has been a while since it's been last refreshed. Now, you've got an all-new model, and this is a front-wheel drive vehicle, and it's got a CVT in it as well. So it promises great fuel economy, great comfort, great handling, just right for the Filipino body. Everyone's just so excited, so I'll see you guys there. Let's check back inside and see how everything is. Here it is, folks, the Toyota you've all been waiting for, the all-new Toyota Avanza. Let's check it out and see what other changes you might be interested in. You never know, you might drive home with it. Top of the line model's got 16-inch alloy wheels. That new striking grille? Oh my goodness, is this still an Avanza? Hi everyone, I'm Cap Maceda Aguil of Zigwheels Philippines, and I'm very happy to have here with us first Vice President for Vehicle Sales Operations of Toyota Motor Philippines, Mr. Sherwin Chua Lim. And right behind us, of course, we have the very beautiful Toyota Avanza, the third generation, which they have just launched today. Now, we're going to ask some questions. And first off, congratulations, Sherwin.
Thank you,
the sales target for the all-new Avanza is 1,000 units. All right, a month.
Yeah.
And that's a very significant figure because they also launched, when they launched the Race not too long ago, the target is also 1,000 units. Now, how confident is Toyota Motor Philippines for making that kind of projection, and why did you make such a, I think, very lofty projection for the Avanza?
The Avanza has a real good following already. Meaning they're loyal Avanza customers. And even if we have the Race, we definitely know that the Race target market is totally different from the Avanza. First off, the Race buyers wouldn't need or have any requirement for a 7-seater. It only has a 5-seat or a car that can carry 5 passengers. Second is the Race market would be younger individuals who is more into that lifestyle feel, 1 or 2 persons inside, have fun, drive, create that adventure and memory with friends. But for the Avanza, we are looking at more of family. Since we launched the first generation here back in 2006, we experienced a second generation also. We just ended its life a few months ago. And then now the third generation. All of the first 2 generations were actually a lot of family members buying this car. So you can see that this caters to a different market. A starting young family who needs an affordable MPV vehicle, but would want the space also for luggage for their travels, local travels here in the Philippines.
All right, now that's well said. Also, what we've noticed, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but the Avanza now seems to look a little bit more like an SUV. Is that something that's also part of the design concept or the design brief when
when the designers conceptualized the Avanza, and you talked about families. So your target market here will be families, as opposed to race, which has a younger demographic. You said, right? Now, what kind of things do you think? What do families need? You mentioned other qualities as well. Like, what specific needs of families today, modern Filipino families, do you think the Avanza will serve?
Yeah, we're looking at a young starting family. So maybe someone who would have small kids with them. So if you can imagine bringing, maybe if you have 2 kids with you, you'll bring a lot of stuff, of their stuff, plus a lot of your stuff. So, and normally you would have either maybe a yaya with you, or maybe your mom and dad, or the grandparents of the kid. So it's actually perfect. It's a perfect fit for 7 people, and still enough luggage at the back. So your first question about sportiness, like an SUV, basically this is still an MPV for us. Though the design has changed, I think Toyota designs vehicle and equips vehicle based on the market requirements. So the design of this is based on what the engineers think is the target market's interest, or what they want to see in a vehicle. And that's the main reason why the design and all the features inside it is here. It's simply because we have studied well the market from the last 2 generations, and we saw that this is the car and the features that they need. And if we have that, definitely they'll be happy buying or owning it.
Okay, well said. Now finally, of course we all know that this price segment, or price points that the Avanza will be competing in, even the segment that the Avanza will be competing in, has already a lot of, shall we say, you have a lot of competitors in that field now. Now, for you to, again, I go back to the 1,000 unit projection. What do you think are the unique value propositions of the Avanza that your present competitors do not have? Or what is it about the Avanza that will, propel it over the segment?
Yeah, I think first, and quite obvious, is the interior space. It's class leading in terms of size inside. We can say it's almost close to like an Innova space already. That's how big it is. Actually, a lot of our media friends were looking at it, and that's, I think, majority of the comments that I heard was, wow, the size is very big compared to the previous one. In terms of what you cannot see, that is, we can say, something that we'd like to highlight would be the safety features. It has a rear traffic alert, it has blind spot monitoring, it carries a CVT transmission, which provides a smoother ride and feel in terms of shifting. And there are a lot of improvements in the engine that made it more fuel efficient as compared to the first 2 generations.
All right, so there you have it, straight from Mr. Sherwin Chua Lim of Toyota Motor Philippines. Again, thank you, Sherwin, for talking with us, and we definitely wish you guys a lot of luck with the Avanza. But from the looks of it, I mean, what's not to like there? All right. Okay, we're aboard the all-new Toyota Avanza, 3rd generation, and well, this is going to be just a short drive, but at least should give us, a feel of how it is. Well, first off, the interior looks, yes, upgraded. And what I like about it, actually, before we got in, is that it doesn't look as slim or lanky, if you will, as it used to. And I've said this also, that it looks a little more SUV-esque, and so that's a welcome change. Oh, I like this analog pair of analog gauges here, and then there's the multi-information display, and it actually shows an analog style clock, but it's a digital display, so I like that as well. So it's a little bit of retro touch, probably. It's monochromatic, so well, again, I'm not expecting too much because of the price point, but I'd like to think that probably buyers who used to be exclusively looking at Chinese brands when they are looking at this price points will now take a look at the Toyota, notably the Avanza and the Rays. Yeah. AC system, I like everything is like touch now, buttons, no more rotary rotary knobs. So I don't know, I'm still I have an old school Yaris, and I kind of like that, the control, the sense of control that I have when you use a rotary knob. So, but this is good. The air conditioning is cool and it's hot today, so kudos Toyota. As for the infotainment screen, I think it's not as snazzy probably as others in its price point, but hey, it has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so who am I to complain? And that's always a plus for me, because I like to listen to my music on my phone. So there. Again, we won't be able to give you, like, I won't say meaningful, but probably any like the full picture here, and I leave that to Roy, who will be driving this thing a few days from now, a more extended drive. But as for me, I'm content. I mean, I like how everything's laid out. Of course, there are hard plastics. What did you expect? Again, the price point, but the sculpting on this thing is pretty nice, pretty interesting. Cup holders. Yeah, I think you get your money's worth here and more.
All right, so how was the drive?
All right, I'm looking forward to like a full drive, but initial impressions, yes, I love the all-new Avanza. I mean, I love its looks. I love the way that it's put together inside. There was a lot of thinking definitely going on there, and Toyota designers must have taken into consideration the needs of its market or target buyers. So yeah, kudos to Toyota. Looking forward to a full drive. All right, for Zigwheels Philippines, it's been Cap Maceda Aguila. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to click, like, subscribe to our channel. Thank you again. See you guys soon.